Today we are going to discuss the sums based on trigonometric identities. This is the first question for you. I am trying my best to start with the easy question. Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. In trigonometric identities, you need to proceed left hand side and obtain the right hand side, or you need to proceed right hand side and obtain the left hand side. Few questions are there where you need to proceed left hand side as well as right hand side and obtain the ultimate result. In both the side you should get the same result. Now let us see how we can go solve this sum. Cosec theta. So I am proceeding with left hand side. Cosec theta we can write 1 by sin theta. Cot theta it is cos theta by sin theta. Since the denominator is same, we will take LCM. So your LCM is sin theta, and in numerator you are getting 1 minus cos theta whole square. Try to understand this step. So here, can we write it in this way? Numerator square by denominator square. Now, since we know this formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So instead of sin square theta, we can write 1 minus cos square theta. So what we will do, we will substitute it here. 1 minus cos theta whole square by, instead of sin square theta, we can write 1 minus cos square theta. Now, in identities, you know this formula a square minus b square. We write it as a plus b and a minus b. So similarly, 1 can be written as 1 square. So this step 1 minus cos theta whole square by, so a square minus b square, it will be 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta. So see, 1 minus cos theta whole square, here you are getting 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta will get reduced. So finally what you are getting ultimate result, it is 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. What was asked to prove? Same term. So this is equal to right hand side. So since left hand side we have proceed and obtain the right hand side. This means we have proved. Similarly, we are going to discuss another question. So second question for you is tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. Now, if you will see the question, left hand side, 1 minus cot theta, 1 minus tan theta. Denominator. So what we will do, we will try to make the same denominator. So for that we are proceeding from left hand side, tan theta. Instead of cot theta, what we can write? We can write 1 by tan theta. And here cot theta by 1 minus tan theta. So if you will take LCM, so your LCM will is tan theta. So here you will get tan theta minus 1 plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta. So your next step, this tan theta will come in numerator, so you are getting tan square theta by tan theta minus 1, and here cot theta. If you will take minus 1 common, so you will get tan theta minus 1. So see, minus plus is minus, minus into minus is plus. Now the question arises, why we have done in this? So that the denominator becomes same. Now plus into minus, finally what sign you will get here? Minus sign. So since the denominator is same, you will take this as LCM, tan theta minus 1. So here you are getting tan square theta minus cot theta. So cot theta, once again we can write 1 by tan theta. So next part, I am proceeding from here. In numerator part you will see tan theta minus 1 by tan theta. So for numerator, if you are taking LCM, so denominator is coming tan theta. So here you are getting tan cube theta minus 1, and this comes in denominator, that is tan theta minus 1. Now do you remember the formula a cube minus b cube? See, this we can write it as this way, tan theta whole cube minus 1 cube, and here tan theta minus 1. So a cube minus b cube. So a cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. So we will write a minus b, it is a square plus b square plus ab. Denominator you are getting tan theta, and here tan theta minus 1. So see, tan theta minus 1 gets reduced. Now here what you need to prove? 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. So 1 plus tan square theta, if you will remember the formula, 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. So instead of this you can write sec square theta plus tan theta, and in denominator you are getting tan theta. Individually if you will divide, so that is equals to sec square theta by tan theta, and here tan theta by tan theta. Now sec square theta we can write 1 by cos square theta, and tan theta we can write sin theta by cos theta, plus tan theta by tan theta will get reduced. Here you are getting 1. So 1 cos theta will get reduced. Now 1 by cos theta. So finally you are getting 1 by cos theta is sec theta into 1 by sin theta is cosec theta plus 1. And this is nothing but this is equals to right hand side. So what we have done, we have broken this question into 3 steps. First step, we have made the denominator same by taking LCM. Second step, from numerator, since it was cot theta, so we have written cot theta as 1 by tan theta, and after that we have taken separate LCM for numerator. And finally we have broken it in the formula a cube minus b cube. If you remember these 3 steps, you will never commit error in this question. Thank you everyone.